Hello YouTube. I am going to make a quick video on how I swapped out from this thermostat to a digital command center thermostat. There was no videos online, so I went ahead and thought I should make one. Basically, you just remove these 5 screws on both sides, and this basically lifts out. I've already done it. Just kind of doing an overview of what I've already done. I would not order anything else from these guys ever again. Their customer service is horrible, and not to mention the incubator was overpriced. I found the cheapest price after I ordered it was Incubator Warehouse. So anyway, they sent me this picture directly from GQF on showing me where to install this piece here. Basically, it is really easy. You just swap out, everything's color coded. So you just, put this inside, drill a couple holes, match up the color on the plugs, put these screws back in from the other one that you pulled out, and it is pretty easy. I'm going to be adding LED lights to my incubator to be able to see my eggs a little bit better, so I had to make a few splices back in here to get that going, but I don't have the LEDs yet, so I can't really show you how I'm doing that. But anyway, I just thought I'd make a quick video because there was nothing out there, so there you go. Thank you.